Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a cleaning video, more like just a quick tidy up, because I am decorating and I'm putting out all the cute little things that I picked up in my fall haul. I'll have that video linked so you can see that. But I just wanted to show you where I place the items. I kind of was doing it as I went because I didn't really know how I was going to incorporate it, but I really loved how it turned out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy.